Caoilfhionn van der Walt, and today we are talking about OHADA. So OHADA is one of those interesting African acronyms that you might not have come across, but are pretty important to understand. OHADA stands for the Organization for the Harmonisation of Business Law in Africa. And essentially, it is governed by a treaty which was signed in 1993 with the aim of improving legal certainty and providing a consistent legal framework across various African countries. Today, we've got 17 countries that are part of OHADA. It's generally the Francophone countries. And what OHADA tries to do is to create a single harmonized legal framework for business across those countries. Now, clearly, it's not quite that simple, but what is important to know is whether you are operating in an OHADA country, because if you are, there will be some similarities across those countries and there will be some particularities, and it's important to understand how these can work. So the main OHADA rules or frameworks apply to company law, contracts and disputes in contracts, insolvency and debt recovery, and dispute resolution. More interestingly, from our side, there are also significant implications for accounting, financial reporting, and tax if you are operating in OHADA country. Now, obviously, each country will have their own tax rules, but there are some similarities across the OHADA countries. And there are also accounting regulations that come into play, particularly in terms of provisions that are required. So basically, the takeaway is if you're operating in Francophone Africa, consider whether you're operating in an OHADA country and understand how those rules will impact your legal framework and also your accounting and tax framework. If you have any questions on OHADA or how it will apply to you, please contact us.